have this little baby cactus that we've got pictured here, and so we want to come in and do a little bit of our darker green, and I've got a lot of water in there, so it's toned down a little bit. I'm going to paint this right on that line so it goes into the background. This is also in the back, so I'll go here, paint that in, and I'm going to come back in and do one of my darker colors that I did earlier and put that right along that line and dab that in right there. It's already wet, so it'll disperse very nicely. Going up at the top here, dappling in a little bit more of that darker green down here at the base, and then I'll take this lighter green, blend that in a little bit. These are fun little drawings, so it doesn't need to be so realistic. And we'll do like we did over here and do this coconut color for our flowers, or use the pink as I showed you. You could use this yellow across here for some of these outside burrs. Let's see what if I like the little pink center. And now I'll take from this darker green over here. I'm running out. I'll make some more for our other picture and other motif. And so we'll come in here and do these little prickles for our prickly cactus. And, oops, that's too green. Get a little more tiki in there. Coming along the center, just adding a little bit of texture. Don't even have anything really in my brush anymore at that point. And I may want to go over this with a little brighter green again to kind of pop that. It's a little less yellow than this one over here, but I like it. It's super cute. So I'm using my pinky color over here. I'm just going to loosen that up a little bit and dapple that into my planter. And I'm saying that the light is kind of coming at the center here. So I'll pull that like so toward the middle, leaving that white. Looks like a highlight. And now I'll come in and just fill that in a little bit more. I use some of this sunset, but I'll use it with pinky. And just come along here. And now just use water to fill it. Gonna add some of the green to those, darken it up. Finishing touches.